Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue color with the 128GB variant. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box of the iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, it's full bag with the bluish background because it's the Pacific Blue color. If you get the gold one, then you will have the gold color and so on. So here on the right side we got this iPhone written on it with the Pacific Blue color. On the top we got the Apple logo, on the side the iPhone, and on the bottom again the Apple logo and the pool tab. Here on the bag it says, if the camera can focus on it, includes iPhone 12 Pro and USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately, etc, etc. So it doesn't come with a power adapter. That's the reason why its box is really slim, and it doesn't come with headphones, so you need to buy them separately. Anyways, here on the bottom we got its model number, which is MGL3LL/A iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue 128GB, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and its model is A2341. So the LLA means that it is the American variant. So if you don't know, iPhone comes for different regions, so this is the American region one. So here is nothing, we don't need any knife. Here on the bottom we got this pull tab to open it. Here we go. So let's open it. So here you can see the iPhone 12 Pro in its Pacific Blue color, which is really looking amazing because of this frosted background, unlike the iPhone 12 which has the more shiny background. So putting that aside, here we have the actual phone. So we got just this plastic peel to open it, and here we have the actual full 6.1 inch Retina HD display. So here on the right side, as like other iPhone, on the left side we got our volume mute switch, volume up and down keys. Here we also got our SIM tray. So it supports dual SIM. One will be the actual nano SIM that will be inserted here, and the other will be the eSIM. If you don't know how to set up eSIM, I will make a video on that, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. On the right side we got this power button, which is a little bit larger than before, and here we have our 5G band place. Here on the bottom we got our mic, our speaker, and our usual lightning connector nut, any type C. On the front we got our main sensors. On the back we got our triple camera setup. One is 2x, one is simple, and one is a wide camera. Here we got our flash, and here on the bottom the black thing is our new LiDAR sensor, which helps in augmented reality and in low light photography. So this LiDAR sensor is exclusive for the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. It doesn't come with the iPhone 12 series, but 5G is supported in this model as well as all the iPhone 12 series, either it is 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. So here is the back, which I am loving a lot in this Pacific Blue color. Like, it's really good. It's not a fingerprint magnet. On the side we got this stainless steel, so which is an expensive metal as compared to aluminum, which we see in the iPhone 12. It is more durable and strong, but one thing is that it's a fingerprint magnet. But I'm really not worrying about it, because I'm going to place a cover, because I really don't want to scratch this beautiful phone. Anyways, I'm just going to power it on. So it's going to power on and we're going to set it up. So putting that aside, what else do we have in the box? First of all, we're going to get a lightning to type C connector, and the reason why Apple isn't giving charger in this box is because they are saying that they're trying to save the environment by not giving chargers, because all of us have iPhones in the past and we can use their chargers. But I really think it's just stupid, because as you can see, the cable they are providing is a lightning to a type C, whereas our previous chargers don't have a type C connection, they have a USB slot. So in order to that, we need to either in order to charge this phone, we need to get either a new charger or a new cable which supports our old technology. But I'm just going to use the MagSafe charger for that. I will make an unboxing video of that just after this video, so make sure that you subscribe to get notified for that video as well. Here the other thing are our documentation. So here we have our SIM ejection tool, a little iPhone document, and here we have our Apple sticker, which I don't know is outside the menu, but anyways we get only one Apple sticker and not two, so less things in the box, but what can we say, you know, Apple. So here I have set it the phone completely, so let me unlock it. So here you can see it's currently downloading some apps as well, so it took some time to set it up because it has first downloaded the latest version of iOS. So when it was downloading the iOS, I just installed the front cover and the back cover as well. So here let me just show you the camera for quick purpose. So here we got our 1x camera, then we have our 2x telephoto camera, and then we have our wide camera, as you can see. So that's these are the three cameras. Then we got our portrait mode, which according to the reviews on the internet is much better than the iPhone 11 etc. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. It is the 128GB variant and it has 6GB of RAM. I will make a video on the complete camera test of this iPhone, so make sure you subscribe for that as well. So anyways guys, this was just a quick unboxing video. So I live in Pakistan and I bought this iPhone 12 Pro from applemac.pk. If you want to buy any Apple product or an iPhone in Pakistan with the best rates in the market and with the best quality, then these guys are the best to go, because I got this iPhone at a really great price as compared to the market. And if you are a student like me, you can avail the student offer that is also available on Apple Mag and you will get some discount. So I was a student, I just showed them my student card and I got some discount on this iPhone 12 Pro at the spot. So if you're a student, you can avail using the student offer at applemac.pk. I will put their website link in this video description if you're interested in buying. And other than that, that's all for this unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro. Hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I'm going to make videos regarding the iPhone 12 Pro, of its camera, the MagSafe charger and other things. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and stay safe.